They're coming after you!
Robotic. The only way you're gonna survive!
Go. And... They're legit chasing me.
We're going to a rave. Get him!
Stop!
Get him!
They're gonna fight right now.
I wanna go home now.
Hey!
Snack of choice. Pirate's booty. What the heck, Mom? Sponsor me.
We are on our way to the beach. Yeah, this is a cool spot.
Birds swimming in the crowd. Aww.
Oh.
Aww.
That's kind of a nasty looking bird.
It's gonna kill you, Hope.
Oh, it's coming for you. Oh my. Dude, now they know that you have food.
Mom, throw it in the trash. It's the only way you're gonna survive. You gotta give up the pirate's booty.
Faith. Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
They just want some attention.
Yeah. Dude, I can't.
Tyler's the tallest one.
I know, I'm like, they're coming after you. They're legit chasing me. They're chasing me.
He's going. He's like he's actually.
I don't know.
They're following us.
Why are they chasing me?
Tyler, that's your bride right there.
Grace, you have to go. You have to.
Get him!
Stop!
Get him!
Go! 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 Go away. Okay, seriously, no more. Actually, because now we've created a following.
Maybe we can befriend one of them and convince the others we're noble.
I may have been dramatic, but like that was actually kind of scary. Having a swarm of seagulls chase you.
I wasn't scared at all.
Yeah, well look at the footage and determine that.
I want to go home now.
Dude, never again. So we've been getting magnets, trying to get magnets everywhere we go, and
Look at her. Look at her. Lay the hair.
looks like she has a mustache for some reason.
It does. Babe, you forgot to shave your mustache. A little close.
Hey!
Oh!
Oh my gosh! What?
Come and touch your finger. Touch your finger. You push me, I'll push you. No. Ow, no, not my fingers.
I didn't do anything.
They're gonna fight right now.
We're going to a rave. We need to go pick up glow sticks.
They'll have some there, don't worry.
Where are we going?
To a rave. I don't know actually.
Go to church. A conference that a college is putting on. SCU Conf.
Okay, girls, in case someone comes up and asks you, what college you go to? Hope. Harvard. What are you studying?
I'm gonna be a lawyer.
What kind of lawyer?
Guess.
Oh.
There you go.
There you go. Babe,
Yeah,
what school do you go to?
MIT. I'm a child prodigy.
Oh. It still defeats the point of you not being old enough to go.
So continue.
Faith, what school do you go to?
MIT. Not a child prodigy. I'm old enough to go to college.
What are you studying?
Biology. I don't know. Plant science.
Plant science.
Studying robotics.
There you go.
There you
I'm
go.
gonna be a robotics teacher at MIT.
I go to Charis Bible College.
What are you studying?
I want a relationship.
I go to MIT, madam.
NIT?
MIT. I study robotics.
I stutter robotics. I go to NIT and I stutter robotics.
I study robotics.
I stutter.
I study robotics.